Hi, my name is Leanne and I'm going to hypnotize you to boost your inner belief and confidence, and it will only take a few minutes, but you must be ready to let go of fear or failure. I am a qualified and certified hypnotherapist, EMDR practitioner, NLP and manifesting coach, and like most people, I have suffered with a lack of confidence. One thing that I've really avoided throughout my life has been being seen. So not wanting to be on social media, not really wanting to be in photographs, not really wanting to be the centre of attention, and things like that. So whatever your confidence issue is, be it something related to work, be it something to do with social environments, be it to do with relationships or sports performance or public speaking, or just really going for what you want without fear of failure, I'm going to help you release some of that fear around it today. So, only if it's safe to do so, and only if you are really ready to let go of fear and boost your confidence in a big way, I'd like you to gently close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, you'll notice they feel so heavy and deeply relaxed. So deeply heavy. And if you try to open them, you couldn't, because they feel so heavy. But that's okay. That's just right. And as your eyes feel so heavy and relaxed, you notice that your scalp and your face are deeply relaxing too. And all the little muscles around your eyes have totally relaxed, and in your face and your jaw, and these muscles are just melting, and your whole body feels a wave of relaxation just unfold through it, from your head all the way down to your toes. Even feel every toe relaxing, and every muscle, every fibre, every nerve ending is relaxing and letting go. And as your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. And as your mind relaxes, your body relaxes. And your mind is now relaxing so beautifully as you focus on my voice and just slip deeper and deeper into a wonderful place where your mind and body can just start to drift. Now here, I want you to imagine that you can see an old dark movie screen, and it's small with a circle in the centre, and you'll start to see an image on the screen with numbers fading in and out. And as you watch the screen, you see the numbers fading in and out. And as I start to say those numbers, you'll see them slowly and gently flashing up and fading. And as I count slowly from 20 down to 0, you'll feel twice as deeply relaxed than before. And when I reach the number 10, you are in a deep hypnotic state. And when I reach 0, you're the most deeply relaxed you've ever been. Okay, so when you're ready, 20, more deeply relaxed and calm. 19, 18, even more deeply relaxed. 17, 16, relaxing deeper and deeper. 15, 14, relaxing deeper more. 13, 12, relaxing. 11, 10, that warm, comfortable feeling. 9, 8, relaxing more and more. 7, 6, going deeper now. 5, 4, just deeper and deeper. 3, 2, more deeply relaxed and calm. 1 and 0. You're in the most secure and safe place here in this deep hypnotic state, so warm and comfortable and pleasant to be here right now. And as you go deeper and deeper relaxed, I want you to imagine your life as a timeline, and it might stretch out in front of you and behind you, with the past behind you and the future in front, or it might go from left to right, the left being the past and the future to the right, and the present right in front of you. And I want you in this safe, secure place to float up above that timeline, and with your head pointing towards your past now, and float all the way back as far as you can in this life. And as you float back, don't stress it, just let your subconscious take you where it wants to go. And I want you to allow your subconscious to locate the earliest memory that comes to you and comes into your subconscious from this life. And I want you to float above it, viewing it from above. And here I want you to look down at yourself and feel a deep sense of love for that little person. No matter what you see, you just feel love and send them feelings of safety, security and self-belief, that they are good enough, that they are lovable, that they are okay just the way they are, that they have strengths, knowing from your adult place how far you have already come in your life and all that you have achieved. And in this place, with this young version of you, you both have all the resources you could ever need. Courage, calm, control, resilience. Really feel all of those here with you both. And you can, if you wish, and if it feels safe to do so, float down and enter the picture and give that version of you a hug. And you can stay where you are if you prefer and just share any knowledge you think the young version of you needs to know. Perhaps tell them that what they have to say is worth listening to, that they are able to learn, that they are safe, and that they can succeed, and that they can handle it. Okay, so for a few moments, just stay here, really sharing those beliefs with the young you and feeling them get stronger and stronger in the young you as you share them with them. And really feel those feelings connecting between you in the chest of the younger you. You can feel it swelling and growing, and feel these sensations swelling and growing in the chest of the adult you. And it might even look like a bright light or an energy flowing between you both. And the young you is now sharing the same calm feelings of being good enough right back to the adult you. And okay, so in a moment you're going to leave that memory and you're going to float up above it and point towards the present. And allow your subconscious to float along and stop at any memory where you did not feel confident, or something happened to make you feel unconfident or embarrassed or out of your depth. And now I want you to float ahead of this memory by about 1 minute or so, and drawing on all of those positive, resourceful feelings you gave your younger self, rewrite the ending of this event. Instead of what happened, you spoke up for yourself. You completed your task well. You did the best you could do in the circumstances. You were heard. You were a success. Even if you weren't a huge success, you were good enough and you learned from it. And maybe others around you were unfair or unkind, but that's okay, and you were fine. And as you remove the negative emotions of this event and replace them with the positive ones, I want you to slowly move your eyes under your eyelids from left to right, and left to right and back again. Just keep doing that, and just stay there, doing that for a few moments. Eyes left to right, right to left, whilst feeling that bright, positive, warm energy in your chest filling you up as you change this belief to you are okay just as you are, and you can succeed. And seeing you successful in that situation you just drew upon, just keep moving your eyes back and forth and feeling the sensations of confidence and success. Okay, so now we're going to float to the present or the near future. And I want you to see an event or an occasion or process you'd normally feel nervous about or lacking in confidence. And I want you to see it and see it going beautifully. You're doing it just as you'd like to do it, and see yourself doing it to the best of your ability, and saying what you'd like to say and being heard, and acting out your role with calm assurance, with confidence and self-belief, and really feel your chest full of the same warm glow that you shared with your younger you. You can succeed. You can handle it. You are safe and you are powerful. You are motivated, you are determined, and you can really enjoy expressing yourself without fear. So really see those images and feel how it feels to succeed and feel confident. And as you do, move your eyes under your eyelids from right to left and back again. That's right, just keep doing that. And if you were in the future, I want you now to gently float back to the present. That's amazing. You're doing so brilliantly. And from now on, every time you notice a situation where you'd normally have felt lacking in confidence, instead, you now feel these amazing feelings of calm courageousness, control. You feel, I am good enough, I am safe, I can have self-belief, I can succeed, I am motivated, and I am determined. And now, on the count of 5, you're going to come out of your timeline and you will be alert, feeling refreshed, and bring all of these feelings with you back into the room. So when you're ready, 1, easily and gently returning to your full awareness once again. 2, you feel great and ready to continue with your day. 3, from head to toe, you're feeling wonderful in every way. Physically perfect, mentally fit, and emotionally calm. 4, your eyes feel sparkling clear and fresh. And 5, eyes wide open, fully aware, and feeling wonderful. So, I hope you feel okay, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Anything that you are happy to reveal from your timeline and experiences that you're okay to share, and how you felt after using this confidence and inner belief hypnosis. Did anything shift for you? And remember, you can come back and use this time and time and time again to strengthen these sensations for yourself. And if you would like to go deeper with me and really let go of some specific limiting beliefs and fears and seal your success, hit the link in my bio for a one-to-one take control consultation call where I can assess how I can best help you. If that's not quite where you're at right now, that's fine. Do follow and like for more, and check out my freebies in my bio. Also, make sure you go to my YouTube channel, as I have a confidence meditation on there as well, which is longer than this one if you're in the mood for something a bit longer.